You saw the teaser at the beginning, right? I think I need to go from this to this. All right, guys, so welcome on in. And yeah, this is crazy, man. One of my people over at Copart hit me up down there that I got to link up with when I was down in Florida. And they said, you're never going to believe who is just at Copart and wanted to look at the Bugatti Chiron. I said, who? Was it Tavares? Was it B as for Build? Who was it? And he said, no. He said, don't think repair, think total annihilation and destruction. And I said, oh, shit.
No. Mm-mm. No. Hell no. No. I refuse. No.
That's right, guys. I've reached out to Whistlin Diesel for comment on this because I couldn't believe it. I was like, and then I said, you know what? Nah, that kid makes a bunch of crazy ass content, and I bet he's probably like, a Bugatti. If I can get it for $1 million, and I destroy it with Monster Max 2, and then drop it from like a plane or a helicopter. The views. Yeah. So shout out to all the truck boys that get in your feelings and all that other shit about when this guy destroys trucks. I think it's personally very entertaining. But for y'all supercar boys that are going to be, you're just going to cry and wet your pants and be mad. Oh, I think it's coming. I do. Now, when I was talking to my guy at Copart, I was like, are you sure it was this dude and this, that, and the other? And he goes, yeah, it was like 3 other people with him. And, the way Copart works, if you don't already have like a setup to be able to get in, like if you don't already have like a media contact with them, like you're not coming in there like 3-4 people deep. You might come 1 or 2 people. So I don't know if he was down there with a camera crew and we just wanted to film the car, or maybe he was down there looking at a truck and saw the car. I don't know. Now, Whistlin Diesel doesn't know me for shit. So it's not like he's going to see my DM and respond and be like, yeah, man, that was me. But for the sake of, trying to keep everything a buck, which I always try to do, I did shoot him a DM and say, hey, man, if there's anything I can help you out with this car with Copart, if there's something you're trying to get information on, or you're really trying to get in there to get some video of the car, let me know. I'll try to put you in touch with whoever I can. And we'll see what happens. But I thought this was a very short update video. And I know a lot of you guys that want this Bugatti, and a lot of these other YouTubers that are like, oh yeah, we're going to buy this Bugatti. We're going to fix it. Whoo. I mean, think about it. Wouldn't that be like the ultimate, Bugatti would be sick. Now here's the other thing that I was also told. Bugatti as a company was not registered as a person or a business to bid on Copart, but now they are. So that's some other news. Maybe Bugatti tries to buy the car back and repair it and keep it for themselves. I don't know. But I just found it very interesting that the company or the holding company was registered now with Copart to be able to bid. So I think they're going to try to bid the car up, if anything at all. Or whoever's going to buy it, you're really going to pay for it. So we'll see what happens. I mean, the car right now is still under 800,000. It could stay under $1 million. What would you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if Whistlin Diesel bought this Bugatti Chiron and destroyed it on the channel. Like, that would have to be #1 on trending, wouldn't it? It would have to be. But anywho's, I shot him a DM. We'll see if I hear back from him on the car. Like, see if he's actually looking at purchasing it, and see if my dude over at Copart, he's a loader on the yard there, was right. And if that's the case, that's huge news, man. That totally puts this Bugatti in a whole different light. And it's not about restoring it or taking it to SEMA next year or doing something else. It might be night for the Bugatti. Oof. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm sure the comments is going to be full of all kinds of hate, drama, nastiness, and I don't have any tea right now, but I'm here for it.